1, 2, we're done. Boom. This feels so good to not have to do these anymore on video after tomorrow. Oh, okay. So I really quickly got ready. I have a casting call today. Hopefully they love me. Even though my agency submitted me with blonde hair, let's hope I charm them with my radiant skin at my audition. I washed my face, curled my hair, and I got ready for the day. I ordered my mac and cheese for pickup. Just got that in my eyeball. I'm trying to do this quickly. I have a lot to do today. So much to do. I ran into some technical difficulties with my computer. Charger took a crapper. My new charger should be here. Thank you, Amazon Prime, ASAP. I wanted to get this done today because I have that audition this morning. What time is it? I have an audition this afternoon. Oh, this tank top's good for hitting the chest. I haven't really done my chest much the past few days. So we're gonna hit it and quit it. Audition here in a few hours. I wanna get this done so I can let this set, eat lunch, do my makeup. Then when I get home from that, I have another photo shoot today for my blog on badgeoftheblonde.com. Busy day, so I need to get this done now so I don't look really pretty and not want to wash my face off. This hair is out of control. So I curled it and then I'll brush it out before, but I wanted to hold those curls a little bit, so. Busy day today. It's all good. I either go from being extremely busy to having absolutely nothing to do. And I don't like that. I feel like I'd rather be just super busy, go all the time, because when I'm doing nothing, I feel like I'm wasting my life. I don't like that feeling at all. That's why I love YouTube. I feel like if I'm YouTubing, I'm doing something. My plant is looking a little rough. If anybody has a palm that's watching this, please let me know what's wrong with my plant. I kind of think it doesn't like living in here. I need to mist it. I was overwatering it, so I stopped and I'm letting the soil kind of dry up a bit. Letting it do its thing. Step 1, bam. The hydrating, what is this one called? Anti-aging neutralizer. This one just feels like I'm giving my skin a big old gallon of water. Hitting it hard. Almost done with 31 wipes. Pretty crazy. I did this. I did every wipe in the pack plus 1. I feel like if I do stuff, I always gotta go one more level up. And it just so happened that the 5-pack that hooked me on these things, there was a straggler left behind, that in the 5-pack I only did the 4. So instead of doing 30 days, we're doing 31. My forehead looks so good. That's the biggest thing I noticed. This is really faded. Really faded. These work. My skin is so smooth. It is even. Even these like little scabs and scars, I feel everything is just kind of melted like butter. Cake batter. I'm so hungry right now. So as soon as I'm done with this, I need to go get some lunch. Got my mac and cheese waiting for me. I'm gonna go do that quickly. I'm starving. I'll probably eat in the parking lot. I'm so hungry. My stomach is growling. Here is to glowing skin at my casting call today. Hopefully there's good news that I will get the job. And this will be my first booking of 2020. Because actually I lied. This would not be my first booking. It'd be my second. I already had one. I had one, maybe two. Crap, did I have one or two? Is this my second or my third? I had a little background gig for Experience Scottsdale in February, like right before lockdown. And I've done a few virtual casting calls, but I have not gotten booked for anything. Casting calls are not my strong suit. Every job I've pretty much ever had on camera, I have just been able to submit my demo reel, or my name has gone through the grapevine on the motorsports side, so they just book me. So I need to work on my auditioning. I get way too nervous, and I probably look like a freaking idiot in there. And that's not good. Strong auditions get the bookings. So with that said, hopefully my skin will stand out if my performance does not. One more day, and I've done a complete full product review for the first time in my life, like an actual like trial. The results are amazing. My skin is just so good. There we go. There you have it. There's only one left of these. One left. That's it. Cool. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, I hope you come back. If you're a great, loyal friend, I will see you soon.